at the Wembley Park Development. This is Quintain's development. It's 85 acres. We have a very large consent to build new residential homes here. We're building approximately 5,000 homes. As part of that, some of the infrastructure we're putting in is physical. So we've put new pipes and wires. We've put the UK's only vacuum waste disposal system here, MVAC, in here. We've put a massive investment into fibre optic infrastructure. But also important is the social infrastructure that we're putting in here. We've built lots of leisure facilities and play space for people. And importantly, also we're building a community infrastructure. It's not just the buildings we focus on, but it's the people and the property as well as the place.
I used to live in Wembley many years ago, and it's of extreme interest to me to see how the site has changed, and in particular how the Wembley Stadium has actually inspired this area to be redeveloped and to actually become more into residential and common use.
Right at the beginning, you got an overview of the whole site, how the stadium was the core of the development, but also ending up looking at NVAC, which is a system that we've often promoted to clients, but somehow have shied away from the initial cost. So it's very encouraging that Quintain were very keen to have this as one of the first systems, I think, in the UK, and probably still is.
There was mention of how they were integrating different percentages of affordable housing in the residential components, which I thought was quite an achievement. There was also mention of how at the entrance they had something like Spanish steps, where they have the people using the entrance for a seating area as well.
If you get the technical, the financial and the delivery working hand in hand with James's placemaking, then we've got a great shot of creating a really truly sustainable piece of urban infrastructure for London. That's it, thank you.
We work predominantly at the pre-planning stage to see work being built out to this extent, and to get a tour of the site is helpful for us at the pre-planning stages.
We've taken people around the Brent Civic Centre. The people have seen a little bit about the future of Wembley, the new residential accommodation in Emerald Gardens, and then they've also understood how much of the investment we've made in the infrastructure of Wembley, both the social infrastructure and also the physical and environmental infrastructure.